It is an extraordinary expedition exploring our ocean floors.
The project is called Under the Pole. A team of divers and scientists are sailing around the world to better understand the ecosystems down below. And one team is about to embark on a journey from Alaska to Antarctica. But before they do, one of the members joins us on the couch. Please welcome Ghislain Bardout, the initiator and director of Under the Pole Expeditions. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So how did the idea of Under the Pole come about?
It started nearly 10 years ago, in fact, after it was an old dream, to go to the North Pole, the top of the planet, in fact, to see how is this landscape of ice. And I had the first opportunity in 2007, and then I decided to organize an expedition really focused on the underwater world because it's really something that human eye is not used to see, and that's a fantastic, amazing world.
What are you hoping to learn from these expeditions?
We are working mainly on underwater biodiversity, biology, species and so, and also for the last decades, as we were over the Arctic, we have been working a lot on the ice, the sea ice, formation, biology, ecology, all of that is connected for sure with the biodiversity.
Anything that you've learned so far that you found fascinating?
Our experience was very long, as we spent a lot of time, and this is really something important, as we have been able to spend a lot of time, for example, with Inuit people, with scientists also working on the global warming questions. And I remember one of our best encounter, the polar bear, for sure, was a big one. It's each time very incredible, but also we could be able to dive very deep with Greenland shark, which is rare, and that was a huge experience.
So speaking of being underwater, how long are you underwater? I don't know how long I could do it for. It got me thinking.
It's cold.
It's cold? Okay.
It's definitely very cold, and that's really a point. Today we have been learning to dive deep, very deep, more than 300 feet below the Arctic Ocean. We have been able to dive long, up to 3-4 hours in negative temperature waters, but that's very important because nowadays we are able really to focus on the understanding of the underwater world, and the technical are not anymore a problem, in fact.
3 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
Okay. Over 300 feet.
More power
but we
to
are
you.
heated. We are heated.
Okay, then.
Okay,
all right.
that helps.
Yeah, definitely.
So after gathering all of this data and doing this trek, what are you hoping this information will be used for?
We try to share our passion, we try to share our understanding of the Arctic and of the global warming over the Arctic, which is very important and coming very fast. We do it through the film, through all the communication we do, and try to better understand species, how they evaluate, for example, how do they migrate north, and how to deal with this environment and to be able to protect it.
So while you're out there, while the teams are out there exploring, living the dream, and we're at home doing our thing, can we follow along from there, from home, from work?
Yeah, sure. We have an internet website, underthepole.com. We have Facebook and so, and mainly tonight I'm doing a show at Wendy Williamson Auditorium on the university campus. This is sponsored by ANSEP. It's at 6:30, so everybody is welcome. I'm in Hungary just for a few days, and it's a good opportunity tonight so to meet us and to have a look at it at the Wendy Williamson Auditorium.
And that's at 6:30 tonight, an evening of exploration under the pole. Learn more about this project before Ghislain heads out. He heads to Sitka in a few days, and then he heads south to Hawaii, eventually to Antarctica.
Yeah, that's planned for the end of 2019. It will be the last part of this third Under the Pole expedition.
Awesome.
Okay. Best of luck to you. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you to you. Thank you to you.